Hello friends, in my YouTube channel Advocate Amit Kumar Gupta. Today I am going to discuss a very unique case on section 263. The name of the case is Shrimati Ravinder BAWA versus Income Tax Officer. This matter has been reported in 98 ITR at page number 149 and the matter has been decided by AMRITSAR ITAT. The date of the judgment is 14th July 2021. The facts of the case are like this. In this particular case, the assessee received a notice under section 148 on the allegation that the assessee has deposited 4.5 crore cash into her bank account. Actually, the assessee has not deposited any cash into her bank account of such a magnitude during the previous year. The assessee submitted its bank statement to the assessing officer inquired from the banker and the banker gave the certificate under the Bankers Books Evidence Act 1891 that no cash has been deposited into the bank account of the assessee of rupees 4.5 crore. The assessing officer take a very plausible view and no addition was made on the assessee for this section 148 notice. But we see that in these type of cases also, in many of the cases, the assessing officer makes the addition. But in this case, the assessing officer was very logical, very generous and gave the relief to the assessee, much desired relief to the assessee because no cash was deposited into her bank account. The assessee was relieved. But after some time, the assessee was shocked to receive the revision notice under section 263 of the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax that why your case should not be reopened under section 263 on the allegation that the assessing officer has not made proper inquiry and that is why the order passed under section 147 read with section 148 is erroneous. The assessee submitted its reply that it is not the case where the assessing officer has not made any inquiry. Proper inquiry was made with the banker. The banker gave the certificate under the Banking Books Evidence Act 1891 and this is a valid evidence which is to be accepted. And moreover, in this case, the Commissioner of Income Tax was not able to provide any evidence which shows that the assessee has deposited cash into the bank. But Commissioner was not happy with the submissions of the assessee. So the assessee has to move to the ITAT. The ITAT said that this is not a case where the revision under section 263 can be done because there are two pillars of section 263. The one is the order should be erroneous and the second is the order should be prejudicial to the interest to the revenue. One of the main conditions to set an order to be erroneous is that when the assessing officer is not able to make the inquiry during the assessment proceedings. One of the condition is that when the assessing officer did not make any inquiry on the basis of which the notice has been issued, then in that case you can say that the order is erroneous. But in this case, the assessee has submitted all the documents and the assessing officer has made inquiry from the banker that whether this much of the cash has been deposited by the assessee or not, and the banker gave the certificate directly to the assessing officer. So in this particular case, when the matter went to the ITAT said that the order is not erroneous and the Commissioner of Income Tax is not eligible to do the revision under section 263. Friends, the logic of discussing this case is that in these type of plain cases, the department is doing 263 and due to which the appeals are going to the ITAT. So what quality of the time we expect from our judges that they can give to the quality cases? Because a number of the litigation is on these type of matters on the straightforward cases where there is no need for the department to initiate 263 proceedings. There should be some check and balances. There should be some application of the mind. These should not be opened only on the basis of conjecture and surmises. The whims and wishes of the officers are so hard that they are keeping their legs on all the principles of natural justice and doing these type of 263 revisions. This is a pity on the assessee that the assessee has to face these type of proceedings when a genuine taxpayer is giving all his tax to the income tax authorities. So according to me, these type of cases should not come and should not be initiated against the assessee. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Shrimati Ravinder BAWA versus Income Tax Officer. Thank you, friends.